Hello friends, and welcome to our today's video. Last time I promised you that I would be showing you how to control Facebook tagging, and I know most of you have been affected in some way. Over the last few months, people have been tagging others in some not so good videos on Facebook, and today I want to show you how you can control that in just a few steps. So the first step is to open your Facebook app. Okay, so I'm in my Facebook account. So you make sure you're logged into your account. Then on the top right corner, where you can see three dark lines, click there. Okay, and it will get you to this place. So you need to locate settings. So click on settings. Okay, and when that settings open, there is account. So scroll from account, there is security, and then we go to privacy. Under privacy, this is where we are going to concentrate, and this is where we are going to make some changes to control the tagging. So the first under privacy, the first option is privacy. So with privacy, you can control who can friend, contact, and view your profile. And the second option is profile and tagging. This is what we need. So click to open profile and tagging. Then when profile and tagging opens, there is viewing and sharing. Viewing and sharing. So who can post on your profile? Who can post on your profile? So on the right side, there is an arrow. Click on that to open the options. Who can post on your profile? Friends or just you? So it's good to check only me. Okay, we go back by clicking on that arrow back. Who can see what others post on your profile? Who can see what others post on your profile? On the right side, there is an arrow. Click on that. Who can see what others post on your profile? Everyone, friends of friends, friends, except, and specific friends, and only me. So for now, who can see what others post on your profile? You can leave it as friends. Okay, you go back with the arrow on the left side next to profile and tagging. Click there to go back. Then allow others to share your post to their stories. So we can open other options. Yeah, so I have allowed others to share your post to their stories. Okay, so I'll go back. So viewing, I'm done with viewing and sharing. So we go to tagging area. Under tagging, who can see posts you are tagged in on your profile? That one you can leave it as friends. When you are tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it? So that one you can also leave it as friends. Okay, that is just for viewing, who can see. And then we go, the last option is reviewing. This is a very good one. Reviewing tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. This is very important. So what are the options? Remember, when you approve a tag, the person tagged and their friends may be able to see your post. So if someone tags you and you've made sure that the review tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook is on, that control is on, then you will be sent a notification to tell you that someone has tagged you in this post and show you that post. So if you approve, that's when that post goes to your profile. If you do not approve, then it will not appear on your profile. So this is the first option, that control that we need to switch on. So switch on. If yours is off, make sure you switch it on. Okay. Still under reviewing, review post you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. Okay, what are the options? The control on or off. This only controls what allowed on your profile. Posts you are tagged in still appear in search, newsfeed, and other places on Facebook. So put this control on so that you will be able to review before it appears on your profile. So those are the major controls that you need to have. So anytime someone tags you in a post, it will not appear on your profile until you approve it. And you have the option to not approve it, which means it will not appear on your profile. And friends, that's how you can control who posts on your profile and who tags you, or what posts that you're tagged on appears on your Facebook account. I hope this video has helped you in some way, and if it has, please subscribe. Next time I'll be taking you through the requirements to apply for the green card, which is around the corner in October, and I'll be showing you how to do it. So ensure you've subscribed so that I can show you how to do it when time comes. But for now, I'll be taking you through the requirements so that you can prepare before October. Thank you, and see you in the next video.